apparently we are already doing Valentine's Day makeup. And like, not gonna lie, I am here for it. Oops, I kinda spread the white everywhere, but like,
We'll work with it.
anyway, I am here for it, and not because I particularly care about the holiday, but rather because I think that the mix of like reds and pink is just the most underrated color combo for a makeup look. Like, I don't know who decided that certain colors just belong to certain holidays, like silver/gold with black for New Year's, or pink and red for Valentine's Day. And by the way, this is taking quite a while to like blend together to create a sort of, you know, I love it when I can't use my words, but yeah, I'm just going over these layers over and over again and blending until it just feels more seamless. I think this is an okay ombre effect. Let's move on. Starting with some P-Louise. The weather's actually so bad today that I'm having to use not one, not two, but like 3 lights in here. Okay, I gotta do the rest of my face now. BRB. And back. I'm going to take white eyeshadow and sort of make a cutesy little under eye movement. And then we're gonna take our blush right here. And don't forget the nose. Okay, not gonna lie, that was only like one part of it. Now I'm going to take a burgundy color and sort of contour with that, I guess. According to my followers, that just makes me look like a pensioner, but like, I like it. I think it's hot too. Now I'm going into my powder puff and the palest blush I own, and I'm just gonna put that shit in, and that is going to go right here. And done. And we're actually skipping the highlighter. I know, crazy. Now I'm taking some more of my concealer and a teensy pencil, and we are gonna draw a heart right here. Perfect. And here is the final gleam. What do you guys think? I know it's not your average look with Betty Boop lashes and lips, but to me, this is fantastic, and I vote we do this kind of makeup all year round.
'Cause why the fuck not?